Hi everyone, welcome to our math channel. In the previous session, we discussed about the first shifting theorem on Laplace transform. Today in this session, I will give some practice problems on first shifting theorem. Okay, let us see here. Find, very first problem is find Laplace transform of L means Laplace transform of e power 2t into t 2 to power 5 minus cos 4t. So clearly here we are observing that we have to find out the Laplace transformation of this function. This given function is in the form of e power at into f of t. Given function is in the form of e power at into f of t. Whenever given problem is in the form of e power 8 into f of t, immediately we should conclude that we should find the value of this Laplace by using first shifting theorem on Laplace transform. So first of all, let f of t. What is f of t here? Product of the exponential term. So you can take 2 to the power of 2 to the t power 5 minus cos 4t. Find out Laplace. Apply Laplace on both sides. You will get L of 2 into t power 5 minus cos 4t. So two functions are in subtraction. By using linear property, split the terms. So this 2 is constant, which is in product. Take outside from Laplace. So 2 into L of t power 5 minus L of cos 4t. We are observing that the first part is in the form of t power n. This is in the form of t power n. And this is in the form of cos 8t. We know that L of t power n is equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1. That's why you will get here 2 into, what is n here? 5. So you will get 5 factorial by s power 6. Substitute n is equal to 5 in this formula. Minus, it is in the form of L of cos 8t. What is the formula for L of cos 8t? S by s square plus a square. What is a value? 4. That's why here you will get s by s square plus 4 square, which is 16. So everybody knows that. What is 5 factorial? 120. So 2 into 120, 240. S power 6 minus s by s square plus 16. You can say this is f of s. Okay, once again I will repeat the problem. Here we are going to find out the Laplace of this function. Clearly the inside function is in the form of e power at into f of t. Whenever the given problem is in the form of e power at into f of t, we should apply first shifting theorem on Laplace. Before applying the first shifting theorem on Laplace, consider what is f of t here. What is f of t? T to t, 2 t to the power of 5 minus cos 4t. Okay, the product of exponential function can be taken as f of t. Find out Laplace of this function. You will get a function in terms of s and put the name as f of s. Now write the statement of the first shifting theorem on Laplace. Therefore, by first shifting theorem on Laplace transform, we have L of e power at into f of t is equal to function of s minus a. So similarly, write the given problem here. What is it? L of e power 2t into 2t to the power of 5 minus cos 4t is equal to, compare e power 2t with e power 8. So you will get a value is 2 here. A is equal to 2 here. Substitute a value 2 in this one. So you will get f of s minus 2. What is f of s minus 2? Already in the previous step we got the value of f of s. In this function of s, whenever we have s, blindly replace it by s minus 2. That is the result of the first shifting theorem. So that is equal to 240 by, here we have s, now blindly replace it by s minus 2. So s minus 2, already here we have power 6, it is similar term, minus, again in the numerator we have s, so replace it by s minus 2 whole by, in the denominator we have s square, so s minus 2 whole square plus 16. This is the final conclusion. Okay, I will give one more problem. Find L of e power minus 3t into 2 cos phi t minus 3 sin phi t. Second one. Okay. Solution. So once observe the structure of the given problem. Okay. What is the given problem here? E power at into f of t. Here also given problem is in the form of e power at into f of t. So that's why first let f of t here. What is f of t? This term. This term is known as f of t. So 2 cos phi t minus 3 sin phi t. Find out Laplace transform. So L of f of t is equal to, in the right hand side directly split the terms by using linear property, because two terms are in subtraction. So 2 is the constant, take outside from Laplace. So 2 into L of cos phi t minus 3 into L of sin phi t. So it is in the form of L of cos at. What is a? Phi. Already we know that L of cos at is equal to s by s square plus a square. Replace a by phi. So you will get 2 into s by s square plus phi square, which is 25, minus 3 into, it is in the form of L of sin at. What is L of sin at? A by s square plus a square, and the value of a is 5. So you will get 5 by s square plus 25 again. And take the LCM, because both denominators are same. That's why club the terms. So you will get s square plus 25 is the LCM. 2 into s, 2s minus 3 5s are 15. By taking the LCM, you will get this term. You can take this is f of s. Don't forget to put the name as f of s, because this is a function in terms of s only. That's why put the name as f of s. Don't forget it. Now write the statement of first shifting theorem on Laplace. Therefore, by first shifting theorem on Laplace transform, we have L of e power at into f of t is equal to function of s minus e. And write the given problem and compare the given problem with the original form of first shifting theorem. So that implies L of, in the similar way, given problem becomes L of e power minus 3t into 2 cos phi t minus 3 sin phi t is equal to, please observe the value of a here. What is a here? Actually here we have e power minus 3t instead of e power 8. That's why the value of a is here minus 3. A is minus 3 here. That's why you will get f of a is minus 3 minus of minus plus 3. So what is f of s plus 3? What is f of s plus 3? F of s plus 3 means in the previous step we have the value of f of s. In this f of s, whenever we have s, blindly replace it by s plus 3. So you will get 2 into s plus 3 minus 15 whole by s plus 3 whole square plus 25. That's enough. That's enough. Just simply replace s by s plus 3 here. Okay, it is not necessary to simplify the denominator by using a plus b whole square. It is not necessary. Just leave it this one. Okay, I will give another problem. Third one. Find L of e power t into t plus 2 whole square. So first of all, observe the structure of the given problem. Okay, here the given problem structure is e power at into f of t. Here also given problem is in the form of e power at into f of t. Whenever given problem is in the form of e power 8 into f of t, we should conclude that we can find this one by using first shifting theorem on Laplace transform. Once again, I will repeat it. Whenever given problem is in the form of e power 8 into f of t, apply first shifting theorem on Laplace transform. Okay. So first let what is f of t here? Here f of t is equal to t plus t whole square. First expand by using a plus b whole square formula. So you will get t square plus 2 2s are 4, 4t, 2ab, okay, plus b square. This is a, this is b. Expand by using a plus b whole square. So you will get t square plus 2ab means 2 2s are 4t plus b square, which is 4. Apply Laplace on both sides. So L of f of t is equal to, split the terms directly by using linear property. So L of t square plus 4 is the constant term, take outside from Laplace, and L of t, again we have 4 which is a constant term, take outside from the Laplace, simply you will get L of 1. Okay, so we are observing that it is in the form of L of t power n. What is the formula for L of t power n? L of t power n is equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1. By using this formula, we have n is equal to 2. Replace n is equal to in that formula. So you will get 2 factorial by s cube plus 4 into, here also t is in the form of t power n, but n is equal to 1 here. So replace n is equal to 1 in this formula. You will get 1 factorial by s power 1 plus 1, which is square. And L of 1 is direct relation, which is 1 by s. Okay. Don't take LCM, it is not necessary. You can put f of s. Now write the statement of first shifting theorem on Laplace. Therefore, by first shifting theorem on Laplace transform, we have L of e power at is equal to, L of e power at into f of t is equal to function of s minus a. And write the given problem and compare the given problem with the original formula. So similarly you will get L of e power t into t plus 2 whole square is equal to, what is a value here? Here we have e power t instead of e power at. So we have a is equal to 1. A is nothing but coefficient of t in the power. That's why a is equal to 1 here. Don't forget. So put a is equal to 1 in this one. What is f of s1? In this function of s, whenever we have s, replace it by s minus 1. Okay, f of s minus 1 means already we have f of s. F of s means function of s. In this function of s, whenever you can see the term s, replace it by s minus 1. So 2 factorial means 2. Here we have the s, replace it by s minus 1. But already cube is there. Don't forget it. Plus 1 by 1 factorial means 1. Here we have again s, replace it by s minus 1. Already we have square here, that's why don't forget the square. Plus 1 by s is there, that's why replace it by 1 by s minus 1. This is the result. Okay, I will give you another problem. find L of e power minus t into cos square t. Okay, please see the solution. Here also the given problem is in the form of e power at into f of t, e power at into f of t. Okay, that's why first find out Laplace transformation of the function f of t. Okay, here we are observing that f of t is cos square t. So find out L of f of t. L of cos square t. So how can we find out Laplace of cos square t? In the earlier session already we practiced this type of problems. Okay. Actually we do not have the direct formula for L of cos square at. That's why I reduce this term to another term by using trigonometric formula. Cos square t can be written as 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Okay. Already I told in the previous sessions, if there is sin square x, replace it by 1 minus cos 2x by 2. If there is cos square x, replace it by 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, but here we have variable is t. That's why write in terms of t here. Now 1 by 2 is the constant term. Take outside from Laplace and take this Laplace to inside. You will get L of 1 plus L of cos 2t. Split the terms. So off into. What is L of 1? 1 by s. What is L of cos 2t? S by s square plus 4. You can put the name as, don't forget to put the name as f of s. In this f of s, we should replace s by s minus a according to first shifting theorem on Laplace transform. Okay. Now write the statement of first shifting theorem on Laplace. Okay. Therefore, by first shifting theorem on Laplace transform, L of e power at into f of t is equal to function of s minus a. Okay. So write the given problem and compare the given problem with the original formula. So you will get L of e power minus t into cos square t is equal to function of, what is a value? Here we have e power minus t instead of e power t. That's why we are observing that coefficient of t is minus 1. That's why a is equal to minus 1. Put a is equal to minus 1 here. So f of s plus 1 is equal to, what is f of s plus 1? In this function of s, whenever we have s, blindly replace it by s plus 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 by s plus 1 plus s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square. Okay, please practice these problems. These are all very, very important problems. In the next session, we will discuss about the remaining problems. Thank you very much.